In today's video, we are going to see a K-map using don't care condition. Before going to see the problems on the don't care condition, let's discuss what is meaning of don't care condition. The don't care condition, it is often occurs that for certain input combinations, the output is unspecified, either because of the input combinations are invalid or they are not in precise values. This is called as don't care condition. In don't care condition, in digital electronics, it be represented as letter D and X. These two letters are used to represent a don't care conditions. Then what is the use of this don't care condition? For the mapping of K-map for SOP and POS, these don't care conditions are considered for grouping purpose. Grouping purpose. The grouping may be octal, hexa, chord or pair. For this you can use a don't care conditions. So just take one more example which are based on the don't care condition. The example is that reduce the given expression for minterms and implement by using universal gates. Okay, this is an example, and the don't care condition, the function is given by summation of f m 1 3 7 11 and 15 plus 0 to 5. These are the given expressions. So if you observe carefully, these are the don't care condition 0 to 5. In that place we have to write D or X, it depends upon us. So before going to solve the problems, we have to identify how many variables K-map is required. If you observe carefully, there are largest values 15. So implement 15, we need the combination of 8 4 2 1. So 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. So all bits are 1 1. So it requires 1 2 3 4 bit or 4 variable K-map. So draw first 4 variable K-map with assume it is a function of A B C D. No doubt we have to follow all the process, writing the values for each and every cell. Because of this we are not write the minterms value here. So for first minterm is 1, so it is SOP, so write here 1, then 3, then 7, then 11 and 15. And don't care conditions present at 0, so you can use D or X, any letter, 2 or 5. These are the don't care conditions. Okay, for that we have to, after that we have to define a grouping or formation of K-map. So here we can form a chord here which is a vertical chord, as well as one more chord which is a horizontal chord. From this chord, this row is also only column common one, so it will be A bar, B bar, and from this we can bring this only common column which is C, D. So final equation is A bar B bar plus C D. This is a minimized Boolean equations. So I want to implement this by using universal gates. So take double complement of above equation, then equation becomes A bar B bar plus C D and its whole double complement bar. Okay, and after that just consider a part of equation which is A bar B bar C D and its complement, and apply De Morgan's theorem to this equation. Then equation becomes, the De Morgan's theorem is A plus B plus C complement is equal to A bar B bar dot C bar. So applying a De Morgan's theorem to this, the equation becomes A bar B bar whole bar into C D whole bar. Okay, then consider this complement, it will be A bar B bar complement into C D bar complement. Okay, let's draw first term. For that we need A, B, C, D are 4 inputs. So take A, the next one is B, next one is C, and then D. So first term we need A bar. So take A bar with the help of universal gate, and we are using universal gate as an AND gate. Then second term, say in the first term the second variable is B bar. This is B bar, and we need whole bar. So we have to use again another gate, NAND gate, which will gives us A bar B bar into whole bar. Okay, then next concentrate on C D bar. Just take first C, then take another input D, and I need a complement of this, so it will be use a CD bar. And last I need whole bar, so take one more NAND gate, and this will be used as final equation F. Okay, let's take one more example which are based on the POS. The POS example is that function pi of m 0, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 with don't care condition are 2 and 4. For this we have to draw K-map as well as implement logic diagram. If you observe carefully once again, it requires again 4 variable K-map, and this is a POS, so we have to write zeros at given max terms. A, B and C, D are the variables. Zero, then 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 are the max terms, as well as the don't care conditions present at 2 and 4. Okay, these are the don't care conditions. So now it's time to make a formation. First the grouping takes place with the chord, because all are adjacent cells, as well as another chord is formed. There are 2 chords, which is vertical one and a horizontal one. The next one we have to form a pair for this one. For this we can brought out the common terms are this only, which is a bar plus b, because it is a product of sum. And then for this we have only these common terms which are 1 1, so in 1 1 it will be c bar plus d bar. And for this common terms are from these two rows we have to bring a common term, and the a is a common term, plus from this we have two common terms c plus d. So the final equation is that a plus c plus d, c bar plus d bar, and a bar plus b. Okay, this is the final reduced equations. Then next I want to implement by using universal gate. So take a double complement of above equation, then equation becomes a plus c plus d, c bar plus d bar, a bar plus b, and its whole complements. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to apply De Morgan's theorem here. For the part a plus c plus d, c bar plus d bar, a bar plus b, and its whole bar. Okay, after applying De Morgan's theorem to this equation, we know that De Morgan's theorem a dot b dot c bar is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar. So this equation becomes a plus c plus d whole bar plus c bar plus d bar whole bar plus a bar plus b, and its whole bar. Okay, and then the final complement as it is. And after that we have to implement by using universal gates. So first consider for this term a, c and d, a, c, a, b, c, and for this d, first a, c, d, I need a, c as well as d. I need a complement with ORing with each other, so we will use NOR gate. This will give us first term. The next one is c bar and d bar. For that we use one more NOR gate, which will give us c bar. We need d bar, so take one more NOR gate, which will give us d bar, and we have to NOR them, so use a NOR gate. So it will be gives us c bar, d bar, and it's a complement. And then last, for this term I need a bar first, so take a bar by making both terminals common to each other, and then we need b, and I need whole complement, so use NOR gate, and these terms are again complement with each other, so take one more complement with the help of NOR gate. This is a final equation F. In this way we can convert or use these don't care conditions in the given equations to implement a logic diagram. I hope so you understand the KMF by using don't care conditions. Thank you very much.